Okay guys, so let me show you how we go from this into this. Hey guys, my name is Cedric and welcome to my channel Vertigo 117. Okay, so one of the machines broke down on me, and yeah, lucky, unlucky, I don't know. I made a wrong score. It should have been this one. So I messed up quite a lot here, but this one is intact and that's the one that I need. So now the only thing left to do is add like marbles, and they will carry the whole thing. Maybe one or two more should be fine, but as you can see, I can put quite a bit of weight on it. But this is the bottom side, this is the top side. So let me finish it up and I'll be right back with you. Well, that's about it. Now I still need to do like some sanding on it, and this one should be a bit deeper in. Give me a sec. Already a bit better. Still need to do a bit of sanding on the sides, because you can see still some rough edges. Patched up a bit here. Need to sand it down as well, and then I will paint it. So hopefully. God damn, why is okay? Seems like I need to sand the inside as well a bit. In some places the marbles get stuck, so I'll do that off camera. Just a light sanding, and yeah, I'll be back with you with the painting, for the painting. So you saw me make the whole thing. It's not finished 100% because I still need to clear coat it. Unfortunately, I don't have any in stock here, so I'll have to buy some. And yeah, I just made this to show you guys my bonsais, because I'd like to start a small series of me beginning with bonsai, and this will help me out to show what's going on. Now this is not a bonsai, this is a succulent, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and subscribe if you want to see more DIY videos, or currently some bonsai videos will come up, and otherwise I do a lot of fish videos, so ponds or tanks. Okay guys, thank you for watching, take care.